All right, so now I have an actual expression. I'm not just simplifying for the sake of simplifying. I'm actually trying to figure out what x equals given certain parameters. And what I'm given here is that the log base 5 of x cubed is equal to 6. So what value of x makes this statement true? Well, let's just go over our properties again. I know that this 3 can be kicked out in front. So I'm going to have 3 log 5 of x is equal to 6. Now you might be thinking, what do I do here? Well, remember 3 is now just a coefficient. This is 3 times log base 5 of x. So I can just divide each side by 3. Once I have that, I'll have log base 5 of x is equal to 2. And now I have something that looks very similar to what I'm used to, where I can just use my little loop-de-loop thing. And I know that using this loop-de-loop, I know that 5 to the power of 2 equals x. What's 5 to the power of 2? 25. So I know that 25 is equal to x. So what this means is that log base 5 of 25 cubed is equal to 6. And let's actually further verify this. That would mean that log base 5 of what, 25 cubed? 25 cubed is positive. I don't know it off the top of my head, actually. It's 15,625 is equal to 6. So the question is, does 5 to the power of 6 equal 15,625? Well, I'm actually just going to go over to my calculator here, and I'm going to go 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 15,625. 15,625 equals 15,625. We are all set. Boom, there it is. So yeah, hopefully this shed a little bit of light onto why you can just take an exponent and kick it out in front as a coefficient. There is a method to the madness, I promise.